with it. It serves me. I am not kidding.
This is what I mean. When you open yourself up to the signs like show up.
I never want anybody to feel this way. Like, I never want you to feel that your angels or your soul or your guides are not listening, because they are always listening. If we ask for a sign and we don't see it, most of the time it's just our resistance to seeing it, right? Or if we are placing so much attachment and importance to this particular thing, then it creates more resistance. So I don't want you to think that, you don't have angels or spirit guides. Like, we all have angels and spirit guides looking after us, and we all have the same access. The only reason why we don't receive signs as fast as we want is because we are placing so much expectations on that, right? So it's like, we will say things like, if I don't receive the sign, it means I am X. So it's like you're already placing some type of judgment and story upon yourself, and like on your guides and angels as well, but if you set like the purest intention out and you have no expectations, but you're also believing and just knowing deep within yourself that you have guides, you have angels. Like, when you open yourself up to the possibility, like, maybe you don't believe it 100%, that's okay, but you open yourself up to the possibility that, okay, maybe they do exist. And then you start to open like this doorway of that relationship. Like, the way that I like to see it as well is that having a relationship with your soul and your guides and your angels is also like a two-way thing, because I feel like life is truly a co-creation process. I feel like we're here living life to learn and to grow and to evolve, and we don't really learn a lot when we're just given the things that we want. Like, some things have to stretch us, some things have to expand us, and that's just my belief, and I'm okay with it. It serves me. I am not kidding. A feather just flew on my front porch. Hold on, I'm gonna get it for you. If you don't believe, there was a feather like under my feet this whole time. If you don't believe in angels, I've been filming videos here for like an hour. I didn't even see it.
This is what I mean. When you open yourself up to the signs like show up.
That feather has probably been there this whole time, but I'm just seeing it because I'm opening myself up to it. Hold on. This is feather number 2. So yeah, the angels knew that I was going to answer this question. By the way, I've had this question in my drafts for... By the way, this sign is for you. This is not for me. Like, this is Archangel Michael sending a sign for you, okay? And I've actually had this question in my drafts for months, but I haven't been... Oh my God, there's hair in my face. But I haven't been able to answer it. And I thought, you know what? I'm outside. It's a beautiful day. I'm going to answer it today. And there you go. Archangel Michael says that he's here. And this is a sign for you. So you cannot say anymore that your angels or Archangel Michael does not give you any sign and you get nothing in return, because this is your proof and evidence that you do. And feathers are always a sign from your angels, by the way. So I hope you have a beautiful day, and take this feather from me. You have 2. So this is like double the sign, okay? Love you.